If you watch my reviews, then you know when I get an opportunity to show you a wig in 2 colors, I'm all over it. I love when I have a chance to do this. Today, we get to learn all about Amore Terra in a brunette and a blonde. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Can we just talk for a moment about what's happening over at 𝖳tu𝗂yi's? 𝖳tuRyi's is the parent company to Renee of Paris, to Amore, to Noriko, and I don't know what's happening over there, but lately they have been launching incredible styles. About a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago, Renee of Paris launched a group of wigs that I said in multiple videos that I thought it was the best launch ever. I loved the wigs that they came out with, and they were a little more affordable. It was so great. And then there've been a few wigs now from Amore. Mira is one of them, Finley is one of them, and now Terra. I don't know what's happening, but I'm so thrilled with 𝖳tuRyi's right now, and if it is a brand that you're not familiar with, you should familiarize yourself with them because they're coming out with some great things. And today we're going to learn all about Terra. These wigs are available at 𝖺Kwell, and I can save you money. I have a coupon code. 𝖺Kwell is an online and in-person wig shop. They have it all, and they carry all the major name brands. They do live sales every week. They have huge discounts, open box clearance. I have a coupon code that will save you money. It's just so great, and I really think you should check them out. They do have online stores in the US, Canada, and the UK. They also have one in Australia, although my coupon codes don't work in Australia. They do work at all the rest of them. ዄKwell, you should check them out. They're great. I'll put a link in the description box, a coupon code, and you can go and find the hair of your dreams. I have Amore Terra on my head in the color Sandy Beige Blonde R. Let's take a look at her from all sides. This is the epitome of a throw and go wig, in my opinion. Messy, not done up, messy in a good way, sort of an everyday, you know, you maybe used a little piecey type cream, a little paste, styling paste. You know, you didn't spend a lot of time on your hair. It's a weekend look. It's a running errands look. You know, it's just fun. And I absolutely love styles like this, and I have become a bang wearer. I still wear wigs that don't have bangs, but I have been gravitating toward bangs over the past year, and I just love that this one has a bang. So if you like bangs, here you go. This one does have a bang. If you don't like bangs, you know, it's wispy enough that I think you can sweep it, especially if you want to use a little heat on it. So this is a heat-friendly synthetic wig. So if you wanted to take a hair dryer, sort of once you get this part set, you can play with it, and then I would just hit it with a little hot air from my hair dryer, and you could train it with the heat to be a little side swept. You could get a little lift off your face if you wanted to. So I really don't think you have to wear this one with a full bang, but if you want to, it's there, and it may not even require trimming. That is wonderful. In addition, we have a full monotop, so you can part this one anywhere you want to. So you don't have to go with the part that it comes with. You can change that, which gives you so much flexibility. We do have extended lace that goes ear tab to ear tab, soft ear tabs with bendable stays, extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and the rest is open wefted. I threw the marble brown one on, and let's talk about fit. These caps are fitting me a little large. You can actually compare all of your measurements to mine because my measurements are down in the description box below, and know that I had to cinch this one in, and I'm getting a lot of extra cap up here. A lot. You can be a lot bigger than me over the top of your head and still fit into these. You can be a fair amount bigger than me around your circumference, at least 22, 20, maybe 22¼ It's really hard to estimate. There's a lot of stretch on these caps as well. So I do think they're going to fit a wide range of head sizes. I just wear a wig grip with wigs that fit me large like this, and then it's fine. There's no issues whatsoever. This one doesn't have any traditional permatease, no poof. It's a very, very natural density, nice light volume. I just love sort of that throw and go deconstructed wave, sort of a messy look. Not too polished, perfect for throwing on and running out the door, weekends, running errands, wearing her with no makeup. This one does seem to have a bit of a longer bang than the blonde one had. I would need to trim this bang up a little bit to wear it comfortably. It does poke me in the eye. It's sweeping okay. But like I said, if you want to wear it with the full bang, you can. If you don't want to wear it with the full bang, take a little heat to it and you don't have to. I have a video showing how to trim up bangs, so if you do need to, I've got this one tucks beautifully and looks really cute. Tuck one side, tuck the other side. I honestly am loving, loving, loving this style. I would not be at all surprised if one of these made it into rotation for my regular summer wig wearing. I really wouldn't. It's just a wonderful piece. Great for any season really, but a good length and lightness for summer. Well, something happened to the rest of the footage on this video and I lost the color segments. So here are some side-by-side pictures. I will try to get these colors reviewed in the future for you. I truly apologize, but I really hope this review helped. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.